Hi ladies, welcome to another video of Stay Safe Babe. On this channel we talk about women's safety, where we share experiences, safety tips and tricks. Please know this is a women supportive community. If you have any experiences or tips and tricks that video would like to share, please leave them in the comment section below, or you can send them directly to my email. We would love to hear from you. And now let's get to the 10 most common mistakes I see women do. Definitely one of the most common mistakes I see all the time is people staring in the phone, not paying any attention, and be really dived in. You know, let's try at home an exercise with a friend of yours. Just stare in your phone, be really dived in, and ask them to get closer to you and closer to you, and just try to catch the point when you can actually see them. Probably it's gonna be in such a distance where it would be too late to protect yourself. The second one is definitely a mistake that I'm doing myself really often. For example, when I'm going for a run, I do wear my headphones and I'm listening to music, but I am aware that I cannot hear a thing. So when I'm running in the darkness, I definitely take out my headphones just to increase my safety. So please think of that as well. 21st century with its pros and cons. I mean, we all want to share when we are at a new spot, at a new cafe, at a cool place, on a party, but think of it that everyone can see your story, right? If you don't have a private account, everyone can see your story, and if you share your location, anyone can know where you are. So maybe just share your location once you left. Ladies, let's be honest, the faster we need to find something in our handbags, the longer it probably takes. So you can try this exercise at home as well. Just try to find really quickly your keys in your handbag, and let's see how long it takes to. And these are valuable seconds that can save you in a dangerous situation. So when you're leaving, for example, your job and going to your car, just prepare your keys in advance so you can quickly open your car and jump in. And here we come right away to the next mistake. Lock yourself in the car. You know, when you enter the car, lock yourself right away so that no one can jump on the back seat or get in your car. Just lock yourself. That's another mistake I see all the time. And here we come to a famous one, and that's key between your fingers. First of all, always use only things you know how to use for self-defense. I'm gonna give you more tricks on that, but if you use something that you can't use, you can actually hurt yourself more. Second of all, this is not the right way to hold a key, because it can split between your fingers and you can, as said, hurt yourself. It goes to the side, you won't actually probably hurt the other person. If so, you need it to hold it in a way that it can't slip. Soon is the time of festivals, of parties, and trust me, I will be there. And here, just make sure to always watch your drinks. We have a merch coming pretty soon of cup coverage. So if you would be interested in it, please let me know and I will leave a link below. Ladies, if you find yourself in an uncomfortable situation, always raise your voice. Don't be scared to raise your voice. If you don't like certain behavior, say it, and say it in the stable, deep voice. Something we are probably not as much aware of is that our body talks for itself. So don't be hiding yourself in such a way. Don't make yourself smaller. Don't get too crazy, but just look confident and that you are aware what's happening around you. It's not that long ago that I talked about this topic with a great friend of mine, and she said that when she's feeling scared, she just puts on a hoodie to hide her hurt, to hide that she's a woman. Yeah. Anyhow, if you put on a hoodie, again, try it as an exercise. How wide is your vision? How much can you actually see? I don't think it would be well. These were the 10 most common mistakes I see women do when it comes to safety. Please know that we are not putting down any of these ideas. We are just adding additional information to increase your safety. Anything you can do to increase your safety is always worth trying. It's always worth educating yourself. So please, if you have any tips, share them with us, and thank you for watching. Bye.